In this video, I want to go over how to properly install our Ultradyne muzzle devices that utilize crush washers. So this is valid for the Pulse 350, Athena 350, and Athena AK, our Vostok, and for those rare occasions that you get a threaded barrel that doesn't quite have enough threads to utilize our timing nut system. We will suggest using a crush washer for those. So for this specific example, I'll use the Pulse 350, and this barrel is threaded in 1/2 by 28. Obviously, you want to match up the muzzle device with your specific barrel threads. So our muzzle devices will come in this packaging, and the ones that utilize a crush washer will have the crush washer in the packaging. So you just pop the muzzle device and the crush washer out, and the first thing you'll want to do is put your crush washer on your barrel. And so the concaved side, or the cupped out side, will always face the muzzle device. So you'll thread that on first until it touches the crown of your barrel, and then you'll take your muzzle device and thread it on behind that crush washer until it makes contact. And so once you get to that point, now it's time to torque the brake down until it is properly timed. And what I mean by properly timed is the top surface of the brake you want to be completely flat and parallel with the top surface of the rifle. And so the top surface of the muzzle device will always be the one facing up whenever our logo is facing up the right way. And so for this specific brake, I'm using a 7/8 wrench. We'll have a wrench guide below in the comments as well as on our website. And so you can look at what wrenches you need for your specific muzzle device. So I'll take my wrench, and then I'll want to torque the muzzle device down all the way until the top is level with the rifle. And so I'll stop right there and show you one trick I like to do is use bubble levels. So just like you would be leveling a scope, I take my small level and put it on the flat surface of my brake, and then I take my rail mounted level and put it on my rail, and then I like to match up the bubbles so that I know my brake is completely level with my rail. So right about there. And so then I know my brake is properly timed, and with the crush washer design, it'll be properly torqued down, and you'll be ready to start shooting.